Hello everyone, this is Iron Spaces, and today I'm recording a video, and this one's about Earth. So, about Earth, the Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of 7,926 miles and a circumference of 24,901 miles at the equator. The Earth is one of the 4 rocky planets along with Mercury, Venus, and Mars. It is mostly made of rock with a core of iron and nickel. No other planet in the solar system has water on its surface, which is why Earth is uniquely suitable for life. Over 70% of the Earth's surface is underwater. The Earth's atmosphere is mainly nitrogen and life-giving oxygen, and it is over 62 miles deep. The oxygen has been made and maintained by plants over billions of years. The Earth is formed 4.65 billion years ago from clouds of space dust whirling around the sun. The planet was so hot that it was molten at first. Only slowly did the surface cool into a hard crust. The Earth is one of the 4 rocky planets among the Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Even so, it orbits the sun in a level plane called the plane of ecliptic. The Earth is made up of some same materials as meteorites, and the other rocky planets, mostly iron, 35%, oxygen, 30% silicon, 15% magnesium, 13%, and nickel, 2.7%. Central sun. People used to think that the sun moved around the Earth until the Polish scientist Nicholas Copernicus realized in the 1500s that the Earth and all the planets in the solar system moved around the sun. Amazing, because the Earth rotates and it's more flexible than you might think. It buckles in the middle like a pumpkin. The bulge was lessening for centuries, but now suddenly it grown again because of accelerated melting with glaciers. Factile diameter 7.926 miles. Planetary mass 1.3 times 10 and 25 Ives, which the 10 and 25 was an exponent. Average distance from the sun 93 million miles. Length of day 23 hours 56 minutes. Length of year 365.2 Earth days. Number of moons 1. Planetary ring system 0. Average temperature 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Atmospheric composition 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen, many other minor trace of elements. Scientists call the planet Earth the geosphere. The outer rocky planet part on which we live on is the biosphere. Surrounding is the atmosphere in layers that inside the Earth is also, well, layers. At the center of is a solid inner core made of an alloy of nickel and iron squeezed together under pressure. They are rocks surrounding the core are hot liquid. Life on planet, well, if you count those, that means what time it is. Earth is the only planet we know that can support life because of a remarkable set of conditions. The sun is a stable star with a constant temperature. Earth's temperature is high enough for liquid water to occur and for oxygen producing organisms to thrive in the liquid oceans, but not so hot that all the water vapor evaporates, as in case of Venus. The presence of the moon helps preserve liquid water. Large gas giants in the solar system help to draw a lot of earthbound asteroids away from our planet. Now here's a good one. UFO sightings? Who? When? Betty and Barney Hill, September 1961. From the New Hampshire of a couple reported sightings of UFO, they underwent hypnosis and claimed they had been abducted and probed. Frederick Valence, October 1978, Australian pilot who disappeared over the vast strait between Tasmania and Australia after he saw a UFO. The place was never found. Travis Watson, November 1975, woodcutter who disappeared for a few days and claimed to have been abducted and probed at a secret UFO base. Airman, December 1980, airmen at the USAF base in Suffolk, England, claimed they have had an encounter with a UFO. Linda Cortile, November 1989. Cortile claims to have been beamed from her apartment in New York and transported through a UFO that plugged into the Hudson River near Brooklyn Bridge. Viewed from space, the Earth, which mostly covers by oceans, appears mostly blue. Cloud formations swirl above, and familiar shapes of the continents. Earth is projected from the sun's radiation by a magnetic field that stretches over 37,000 miles out into the solar system. These facts were provided by an Encyclopedia of Knowledge. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.